Alright, today I'm going to show you how to finish up our Euroskills website that we made in the earlier Photoshop tutorial. What we're going to do is I've opened it up in Adobe ImageReady. You can also do this in Photoshop CS3, CS4, except it'll be in Photoshop. ImageReady is no longer has been mixed with Photoshop. What we're going to do is just select the slice tool. Select the home slice, go up here, select the text, go to our characters palette, and select underline. Go up to File, select Optimized As, and we're going to create a rollover button. Selected slices is what we need selected, and our image that is normally there is index 03, and you'll see that in a minute, and I've put in index 03 roll. Select Save. Alright, now I'm going to open it up in Dreamweaver, which I've already got open. I'm going to select the home page, go up here and select Rollover Image. I'm going to select Browse, and I'm going to select index 03 for our original image. Now for our rollover image, we're going to select index 03. Oh, and there's our roll right there. Select OK. Alright, now for the URL, we're going to put index.html because that's the home. Select OK. And now it's going to look all cattywampus. What we're going to do is delete the old button, click off to the right, and everything will snap back to normal. Now we should have a rollover button that should underline itself when we go look at it in Internet Explorer. Next thing we're going to do is right click on the background and select Page Properties, and we'll change this to black to match this. Alright, so now we have a link that works with a rollover. We have the background changed. Now let's change this so that we can put some text inside of it. We're going to right click on it, or left click on it I should say. Go up here and select Split. Alright, now this is going to get a little bit codey for you, but if you hit space, a little menu should pop up and you should be able to hit background. Alright, now inside of these quotes, what we're going to do is we're going to move this, all this code right here. We're going to right click on it and select copy. Select the little two quotes to get rid of them, and select paste. We'll add a little space on the end to clean it up. And what that'll do is that'll put this background image, or this image that's in the current table right now, into the background. Now if we click back down here and select it again, we can hit delete, and voila, it's the same color as our background before, and we have the ability to be able to put text now inside of that table. If we go down here to horizontal, we can set this to left and top, and sure enough, we can type in here. And we can type and adjust everything as normal. Alright, so now I'm going to click Design so we can take a look at it. So we've got one of our navigations buttons working, and we have the text in the middle working. You can do the exact same thing for the footer in here in order to add navigation at the bottom of your website. It's a good idea to add the regular HTML URLs because these rollover buttons are JavaScript, and Google and other search engines are not going to pick up that these are links. So you need to have a duplicate set down here so that it can follow and find everything inside your site. Alright, so now that I've got that, I'm going to go up to File, and I'm going to select Preview in Browser, and I'm going to save the changes. I'm going to allow the block content. This is not going to pop up normally on the website, but as you can see, we have the full website here. and we're going to go up to home, and sure enough, our link's working. Should be able to click on it and it'll go right back to where we're at. You'll be able to do the same thing with the rest of them, as well as be able to put some more text in here. Alright, well, let's close this and let me show you how to do the bottom part of the navigation. Alright, so now that we have this here, bottom part of the navigation, we're going to do the exact same thing as we did before. We're going to go back to split. After call span, we're going to select background. We're going to move the images again. Add another space in there. Go back to here. Click on that and hit delete. Alright, and now we have another area where we can write text. Now we should be able to hit this, copy what's up on top, home, skills, Euro, contact, stars, and help, and then adjust this so we have paragraph. Let's make this Arial, and let's make it extra small. No, let's try extra small right there. Alright, that looks good. And now that we've got that set up, we'll just click and select the home. Nope. The home, just like that. And we'll add a link of index.html right there. And sure enough, you've got your home. Now you can go into CSS and clean this up so that this looks different and actually fits the scale of the site, but that'll is an example of how to set this in here so that that works. You can justify this to the other side. In fact, we'll do that just for the fun of it. And now you've got your top navigation with rollovers, your bottom navigation, and an area to insert text. Alright, we're going to save it, open it up in Internet Explorer again. So now we know that works, and that works. Well, that's all there is to it to making a website with Photoshop with a little help from Dreamweaver.